Our benchtop reactor including these 6 tabs, and CJC is for animal cell culture with magnetic stir, and JG is for microorganism culture with mechanical stir, and JGG is for plant cell culture with lampshade. JGD is duplex type, and MJGX is mini parallel contrast type, and JGX is common parallel contrast type. And now I will introduce the stainless steel fermenter in detail. Our stainless steel fermenter have wider range of volume options with humanized structure design, supporting bench, fat bench, semi-continuous, and continuous cultivation. We have mature series for you to choose, or customize a suitable solution according to your needs. And our stainless steel fermenter tags including microorganism culture, animal cell culture, plant cell culture, and multi-tab and multi-state tab. And this is our stainless steel fermenter technical parameters. It shows the difference between microbial fermenter and cell fermenter. The total volume of stainless steel fermenter is 5 to 10,000 liters, and the volume can be optional. And the working volume is 30% to 70% of the total volume. For gassing, the microbial fermenter is one air in tank and multi-way intake. And the multi-way intake is optional. And for cell fermenter, it usually equipped 3 or 4-way intake, and multi-way intake is optional. For gas control, the rotor flow meter is manual control. This is standard. And the mass flow meter is automatic control. This is optional. For the stainless steel fermenter sterilization, it is in situ sterilization. So it means we should equip with SIP system. And basic control including temperature, rotation speed, pH, DO, antifoam, and feed. For feeding, it equipped the peristaltic pump standard 4. If you want more, like 5 or 6, we can also customize. For the microbial fermenter, stirring mode is top mechanical stirring, and the magnetic stirring is optional. For the cell fermenter, it is magnetic stirring, and mechanical stirring is optional. And then I will introduce our stainless steel multiple fermenter. Our stainless steel multiple fermenter through one controller to control multi-stainless steel tanks of the same volume to achieve rapid process verification, suitable for multi-tank contrast test, and can be equipped with 2 to 12 stainless steel tanks, but no more than 6 are recommended. Each tank can be controlled separately, and this type usually used for culture medium selection, process optimization, and strain selection. Next is our stainless steel multi-stage fermenter. Our stainless steel multi-stage fermenter is equipped with multi-stage seed tank. It is sharp tool for process research, development, and optimization, save manpower and time. It can combine various volume tanks according to your need, but usually the volume of the multi-stage tanks can be increased tenfold. For example, it's 10 liters at 100 liters and 1,000 liters, and no more than 3-stage tanks are recommended. And with reliable translating pipeline, and each tank can be controlled separately. This type usually used for pilot scale or production scale. And now, let me introduce the configuration of the stainless steel fermenter. First is temperature control system. Our stainless steel fermenter temperature control mode is jacket water bath heating and external cold water cooling. For heating, there is a water tank at behind, and it will heating the water in the tank, and the hot water will flow into the jacket. And for cooling, we recommended to connect an external chiller to provide cold water, and the cold water will flow into the jacket. And next is our stainless steel fermenter stirring system. The mechanical stirring mode is suitable for microorganism culture, and the magnetic stirring is suitable for cell culture. Our stainless steel fermenter is equipped with 3-stage stirring pedal, and the stirring pedal tab can configure according to user's need. Usually, microbial culture is 6-leafed flat pedal, and the 4-right-leafed oblique pedal, and cell culture is elephant ear pedal. And next is our stainless steel fermenter feeding system. The peristaltic pump is provide power for material to enter the tank. The peristaltic pump is equipped with 4 as standard. If you want more, we can also customize. The traditional feeding method is use the needle to feeding. You can see this is our feeding part, and this is feed needle, and this is silicone gasket. The traditional feeding method can insert the feed needle directly into the silicone gasket of the feeding part. The silicone gasket is single-use. And we also provide another method for feeding. Adopt 4-valve structure to achieve aseptic feeding. The 4-valve pipeline can be sterilized. And the 4-valve structure is divided into manual control and automatic control for manual sterilization and automatic sterilization. Next is gas intake system. The gas intake is optional, like air, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Like 1 way, 2 ways, 3 ways, or 4 ways. If you want more, it is okay. And the control mode. This rotor flow meter is manually controls the ventilation volume, and mass flow meter correlates with DO value to automatically control ventilation volume. And this is rotor flow meter, and this is mass flow meter. Next is exhaust system. This is exhaust condenser. And our exhaust condenser can return the condensed water to the tank, prevent the loss of water in the tank. And this is exhaust filter. Exhaust filter can prevent exhaust gas polluting the environment. And exhaust filter is optional. Next, exhaust sprinkling system of stainless steel fermenter. It equipped with sprinkling port and sprinkling valve and carry out aseptic sprinkling during the culture process. And also equipped with discharge port and tank bottom valve, which can discharge the fermentation broth after culture finished. And next is pH DO temperature control. For pH DO temperature, we equipped with electrode and the electrode interface and electrode port, combined with program to achieve automatic control. And next is the tank lift system. If the tank volume is less than 15 liters, we recommend manual lifting. And if the tank volume is 50 liters to 700 liters, we recommend electric or pneumatic lifting. This method can lift the lid 350 to 400 millimeters. Or if the tank volume is more than 700 liters, there is no tank lid and there is a manhole. And next is our stainless steel fermenter controller. Our controller with own software, including home page, alarm record, settings, and the condition control system. And so on. Next is SIP system. Our SIP system is a public system for stainless steel fermenter. Because stainless steel fermenter is in situ sterilization, so we should provide steam. Equipped with inspection-free electric heating system generator, can fully sterilize tank and pipelines by manual or automatic control. And for automatic cleaning, users can use our CIP system. And our CIP system can be equipped with acid tank, alkali tank, or pure water tank to clean the fermenter. And the cleaning program can be set freely. And we can also provide solid fermenter. Our solid fermenter, the total volume is 10 to 10,000 liters. The working volume is 40% to 60% of total volume. This step is suitable for salt fermentation experiments and biological feed cultivation and fermentation, salt samples, and salt waste research. We can also provide GMP standard fermenter, and our GMP standard fermenter is fully automatic fermenter with GMP document. And then we also have a mature vaccine. And we also have mature vaccine fermenter system. Then like this is a reference picture. And that's all. Thank you.